country mouse and city mouse. Learning English with Afrikaans and Xhosa. Learners, our first word is mouse. In Afrikaans we say muis. In Xhosa it is imfundla. Mouse, muis, imfundla. Next word is city. In Afrikaans it is stad. In Xhosa we say isiqheko. The word country. Afrikaans says platteland. Xhosa says ilizwe. Country, platteland, ilizwe. There is the word home. In Afrikaans it's tuiste. In Xhosa, ikhaya. Home, tuiste, ikhaya. Word for food when we eat. In Afrikaans, food is kos. In Xhosa, we say ukutya, ukutya. At the picture. Next is danger. This means something's unsafe. In Afrikaans, it's gevaar. In Xhosa, ingozi. Danger, gevaar, ingozi. A friend is someone who helps you. Afrikaans, we say vriend. In Xhosa, umhlobo. Friend, vriend, umhlobo. Adventure. An adventure is an exciting journey. In Afrikaans, it's avontuur. In Xhosa, it is uhambo. Uhambo. This picture, the mouses are hiding. They feel safe in their home. Safe. In Afrikaans, it's veilig. In Xhosa, we say khuselekile. The next word is sleep. Look how this little mouse is sleeping in his bed. Sleep. In Afrikaans, it's slaap. In Xhosa, ukuhlala.